Happy silver wedding anniversary to anak ko Nelson Antisi. This silver wedding anniversary marks a successful married life in spite of the many hindrances that you met. However, continue to struggle a healthy life and endeavor to a successful and more meaningful life as you go along the way that other couples to emulate as an example. Once again, happy 25th wedding anniversary.
Hi, anak ko Nelson and anak ko Tess. Happy 25th wedding anniversary. Wishing you the best of everything in life. Always healthy and safety. God bless you.
Hi Tess and Nelson. So sorry we can't come because it's still snowing. And then we're just going to wish you a happy silver anniversary and counting, filled with love, joy, and happiness. Wishing you both a good health and God bless you. Happy wedding anniversary with love from Calgary, Da Morales. Bye! Enjoy!
Hi Nelson and Tess. Congratulations on your silver wedding anniversary. Imagine 25 years of love and marriage anchored in Christ is truly a blessing. Always be inspired of God's promises to us. And Mark chapter 10 verse 9, what God has joined, let no man separate. May God bless you with love, happiness, and good health always. We love you and God bless always.
Hi, Nelson and Tess. Happy 25th wedding anniversary. Wishing you both a lifetime of love, happiness, and beautiful memories will continue. Your journey together is truly inspiring. God bless both of you.
Hi!
Ng Tess and ng Nelson, happy 25 wedding anniversary.
God bless you and we love you.
Happy 25th wedding anniversary ng Tess and ng Nelson. May God bless you always.
We miss you so much.
See you soon. Bye!
Bye-bye!
Hi ng Tess, ng Nelson, happy wedding anniversary. I hope that you enjoy life much better and see you here at Lime Resort Bohol. Nice to have you, no?
Hi all, Nelson and Tess. Congratulations on your 25th anniversary. Wow, 25 years. I know for sure it wasn't easy, but you made it through. I hope and pray for more wonderful years of love and countless anniversaries to celebrate together.
Hi, Uncle, Uncle. Happy 25th wedding anniversary. God bless you all.
Congratulations, Manang Tess and Nong Nelson. Happy 25th wedding anniversary. We love you. God bless you.
25th wedding anniversary, both of you. I miss you.
Nelson, Manang Tess, happy 25th wedding anniversary. Hope to see you soon here in Bohol. We miss you.
Happy 25th wedding anniversary po.
Hi, Nong Nelson and Manang Tess. Happy 25th wedding anniversary. We love you and we miss you.
God bless.
God bless.
Happy 25th
wedding
anniversary,
Nelson Antes.
Antes. Ninaot ko nga dugangan pag mga katuigan sa inyong pagparang-uban din kalibutan na o pabuto na ko ng another 25 years para sadya gyapon. Ano na?
Manginahot ko nga magbalipayon sa kanunay inyong panag-uban. Mawat pag 50 years nga mausog na po og wedding anniversary. Mayong panglawas sa kanunay sa kaninyong tulo ni Miriam.
Happy 25th anniversary Nilson ug Tisi. Mahinawat ako nga Uruguayan mga atong ginabuhi. Umabot pa kitag 50 anniversary sa anyong kasal. Mahinawat pod ko nga kita-kita pagyapon ta sa umabot nga katuligan dito sa Bohol o sa Gasar pita. Basta pahinaoton gyapon nato nga basko gyapon nato mga lawas tanan. Daghan kayong salamat kaninyo. Ako si imong magulang Arturo. Hapit na ginapod ko nga kuan mayo sa kusipon.
Titesi, Nelson, happy wedding anniversary. I hope you stay strong on whatever life gives you, especially those obstacles. And magmalikun lang dapat, and always pray and believe and trust God. So yes, always be happy and happy wedding anniversary.
Hi Manang Tess and Col Nelson, happy 25th wedding anniversary. May your story keep unfolding, tender and timeless. 2 more years of love and laughter, and we love you.
Wedding anniversary ng Tess and Col Nelson. May your love continue to grow stronger with each passing year. Cheers to many more beautiful memories together. Once again, happy wedding anniversary!
Hello, Ate Tess and Kuya Nelson. Surprise kay Tino. From New Zealand to Canada. Ligid ko kalimuti, bisan pilang tuig na ta, bihira lang ta mag-communicate, pero ligid ko kalimot ni Mute o ni Kuya Nelson, kay ako usa ko sa imong bridesmaid sa inyong pagkasal, ate. Ug usasad ko sa imong sidekick ug alalay ninyo duha ni Kuya sa panahon nga wala pa mo kasla, hangtod nga gikasal mo, unya pag-abot nimo gikan og Canada, kami ni Kuya Nelson og ni Gingging mitagbo nimo sa Cebu. Happy kayo si Kuya te pagkita nimo, kay siyempre excited sa inyong kaming kasal atong mga panahona. O di ko kalimuti nga giisip ko nimo usa ka sister or a family nga bisan kamera ni Gingging ang mag best friend, pero giisip ko nimo sa nga usa ka igsuon te. Anya, congratulations on your 25 years of unwavering love, laughter, and a building life together. Wishing you a joyful silver jubilee wedding anniversary, both of you, Ate and Kuya Nelson. We love you so much, te. We miss you, te, sa imong kaayo. O very humble. Mo nang nilig ko kalimot inyo duha ni Kuya Nelson, te. Kay gapares gimong duha, puro mga maayuhon. We love you so much, te. Happy anniversary once again.
Hello, Auntie Tess. Hello, Uncle Nelson. On behalf of our family, we would like to say happy 25th wedding anniversary. Wishing you both a wonderful celebration filled with love, laughter, and beautiful memories. Sorry tayo, wala mi kanha diha kay wala lagi mi driver ba, pero we're so happy na you remember us, auntie and uncle. Cheers to many more years together and wish you all the best. And happy silver wedding anniversary.
Happy wedding anniversary, Daitis and Roy Nelson. God bless all. And more blessing to come.
And bye-bye.
Hi, incredible couple by Nelson and Tess.
Hi, Tites. Hi, Nelson.
Happy wedding anniversary.
Happy 25th wedding anniversary. Cheers and more power to this lovely couple.
Happy 25th wedding anniversary, Uncle Nelson and Auntie Tessie.
Akong wish is makuan ang inyong pagpamuyo dahil napay another 25 years na mag-celebrate gyapon mo sa inyong wedding anniversary. O good health ninyong duwate and uncle.
Akong wish ninyo sa inyong 25th anniversary is inyong panagpuyo mulambo pagyud, good health, unya dungag pagyud nga mga tuig sa inyong panagkuyog isip managtihayon. O hope to see you soon. Puhon.
Happy 25th wedding anniversary ni Uncle Nelson o ni Auntie Tessie. Ikaw sa may ka.
Maghinaot ako nga maligon paghapon na itong mga lawas. Magkita-kita lang ta. Atos bol. Isang rasa dito, basta kay kanto pa ta dito napita.
Ako ang wish ninyo, Col, nga magpadayon mo sa inyong kalikon sa inyong relasyon o mag-atag atagan ko mo ni Lord o gusto mo paglawas ka mong tulo ni Miriam o akong pangandoy nga magkita na mo tagusog mag-reunion ta sa Bohol puhon o congratulations sa inyong duha dahil inaot nga magkita ta puhon sa ika-50th wedding anniversary na po ninyo. So, congratulations sa inyong duha o pagaligon mo birme.
And Nelson, congratulations on 25 years. Cheers to 25 years of love, laughter, and endless cherished memories. Happy silver anniversary. God bless. I love you from Mangkasi of California. Hurrah!
Happy 25th wedding anniversary, Kuya Nelson at Ate Tess. 25 years of love,
faith,
at pagpili sa isa't isa sa araw-araw.
sa hirap at ginhawa,
Magkasama pa rin dahil kay God.
love is patient,
Love is kind.
patuloy tayong magpalain,
At patatagin pa sa iyong pagsasama.
love,
Grounded in God will always stand strong. Happy wedding anniversary!
Di man araw-araw na nakangiti, at
At ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi, di na mapilang ang ating mga tampuhan. Away bati natin di na malayan. Eto tayo, ngunit sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man. Nais kong malaman mong iyo ako palagi. Kung balikan man ang hirap, luhat lahat, ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon. At pag napaligiran ng ingay at ng gulo, di ko pagpapalit ngiti mo sa mundo. Eto tayo sa huli palagi, babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man. Nais kong malaman mong iyo ako sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto. Diamante may abutin, ikaw pa rin aking bituin at tatangi kong dalangin hanggang sa huling siglo. Sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, at ulit-ulitin man. Nais kong malaman iyo ako palagi. Winter snow is falling down, children laughing all around, lights are turning on like a fairy tale come true. Sitting by the fire we made, you're the answer when I prayed I would find someone, and baby I found you.
I can't remember when you were there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. And I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I've found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I love the life we made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so. Through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you